Have you ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of your Vivid card? It's a powerful financial tool, but it's only as good as its activation. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your Vivid card up and running. Step 1. Download the Vivid app. The first step is to download the Vivid app from your device's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Create your account. To create your account, you'll need to provide your basic information, such as your name, email address, and mobile number. You'll also be asked to set a strong password for your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Vivid takes security seriously, so you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID card or passport. The app will guide you through the process. Step 4. Add your card details. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to add your Vivid card details. You can find these details on the physical card itself. Step 5. Activate your card. Now comes the exciting part: activating your card. The app will provide you with a simple activation code. Enter this code into the app, and your card will be activated. Step 6. Set your PIN. To protect your card, you'll need to set a PIN. This is a 4-digit code that you'll use to authenticate transactions at ATMs and in stores. Step 7. Explore Vivid features. With your card activated, you can start exploring the various features that Vivid offers. From budgeting tools to cashback rewards, there's something for everyone. Additional tips. Keep your card safe. Protect your card from unauthorized access by keeping it in a secure place. Check your balance regularly, monitor your spending, and ensure you stay within your budget. Take advantage of Vivid's features. Explore the app to discover the different ways Vivid can help you manage your finances. Activating your Vivid card is a straightforward process that opens up a world of financial possibilities. By following these simple steps, you can start enjoying the benefits of this innovative financial tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.